How to schedule Instagram carousels from desktop without errors. Scheduling Instagram carousels from your desktop doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you're using Vista Social. This platform simplifies the entire process and helps you avoid common carousel upload issues that usually happen when you're working from a computer. To begin, log into your Vista Social account and make sure your Instagram business profile is properly connected. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Create Post button and select Instagram as your platform. Then, choose the Carousel option. This lets you upload multiple images or videos at once. Make sure your files are high quality and in the correct format, square, or portrait formats. Typically perform best. You can upload up to 10 pieces of media per carousel. After uploading, you can rearrange the order of the images with a simple drag and drop interface. Add your caption, hashtags, and even tag other accounts right from the Vista Social Post editor. If you want to include a location or a first comment, you can do that too. Once everything looks perfect, go to the scheduling section and pick the date and time you want your post to go live. Vista Social automatically handles the posting for you without needing any mobile notifications or app confirmations. It's truly hands-free. And remember, if you haven't tried Vista Social yet, the link is in the description. You can join Vista Social for free and see how effortless your content planning becomes. By using Vista Social's desktop carousel scheduler, you can plan your content more efficiently, eliminate upload errors, and maintain a polished Instagram presence, all without switching between devices.